Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite Easy Anti-Cheat error. So if you want to know how to fix it, just keep on watching. So fixing easy anti-cheat errors in Fortnite can be a bit tricky, as they can be caused by various factors. Here are some common troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. First is to verify game files. If you're playing Fortnite on PC through the Epic Games launcher, you can try verifying the game files. Open the Epic Games launcher, go to your Fortnite library, click on the three dots next to Fortnite, and select Verify. Update the game. Make sure you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Outdated game versions can cause compatibility issues. And next is to update Windows. Ensure that your Windows operating system is up to date with the latest updates and patches. Check for graphics driver updates. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Outdated or corrupt drivers can cause errors. Restart the computer or console. A simple restart of your computer or gaming console can sometimes resolve temporary issues. Disable overclocking. If you have overclocked your hardware, try disabling the overclock and running Fortnite at default clock speeds. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall. Sometimes antivirus or firewall software can interfere with IC anti-cheat. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, launch the game, and see if the issue persists. Reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat. Easy Anti-Cheat is a separate program that runs alongside Fortnite. You can try reinstalling it to see if it helps. Navigate to the Fortnite installation folder, go to the anti-cheat folder, and run the easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe file. After that, check for known issues. Check the Fortnite community forums or official websites for any known issues related to easy anti-cheat and possible workarounds or solutions. And lastly, contact support. If none of the previous steps work, consider reaching out to Epic Games support team for further assistance. They may have additional troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific situation. Remember that modifying game files, using cheats, or any unauthorized software to bypass anti-cheat measures is against the terms of service and can lead to severe consequences, including a ban from the game. Always follow the official troubleshooting steps and respect the rules and guidelines set by the game developers. And that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!